In the old days at Hernando Beach, my dad and I built quite a few docks. There wasn't anybody back in those days. There was only 2 houses in Hernando Beach, and you could do your own. But here up on the Corps Engineers water, we had quotes that were astronomical, beginning at $28,000. And so I started looking for a kit dock and found one, and we're assembling our own here on the bank. We'll float it over to the house. Now, this is the engineering work. This is what we're doing today. Normally these docks come in with a ramp right here, but we flipped it, put our ramp over here. This will be my last dock, hopefully. And whenever if you do something like we're talking about here today, you want your ramp up in this area, because this is your strength. Whenever you bend, you've got 4 times the strength. So we've got it up near a straight edge walk.
I can buy a grill from right there.
The old dock is so rotten here that it needed replacement. If you step on it, you just fall through. Now I got the barge pegged.
Check that attention. All right.
Got our first major hiccup. The old float is not enough to float it onto the new dock without a lot of stretch. So we're just going to take one of these old floats that he just happened to have aboard and strap that to the other one. Try to get enough flotation for that ramp.